Yeah, what's up, guys? YK Guitar is back with another episode of Lesson. Okay, I want to shout out a very big thanks to my new subscribers and my old subscribers. Okay, thanks for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for always staying by me, standing by me. Okay, I do appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching. Okay, for today I want to give you some basic licks you can apply in your makossa songs in your church. Okay, some makossa praise in your church. Okay, and before I show you the link, if you know that this is the first time you're watching my video, I'd like you to hit on the subscribe button. Okay, you can turn on the notification bell so you don't miss that anytime I upload a new video like this. Okay, anytime I upload an interesting video like this, we're going to help you. Okay, and enhance our playing as well. Okay, guys. So I want to make the video more long, but I just want to show you music licks, some simple licks you can apply in your makossa. Okay, the 1 4 5 4. Okay, yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna do this lesson in the key of A. This is the key of A. But then I would like you to listen to the licks, how I'm going to apply it. Okay, so you can apply it so in your praise section. Okay, okay, guys. Like you can hear what I just played. Okay, the song is in key of A. Okay, this is the key of A. Okay. Okay. That is the key of A. Okay. The progression of the song is normal makossa progression. 1 4. You can play it here also. Okay, so the first chord I was playing was okay, starting from the saw, okay, do ti la sa fa re re, okay, do ti la sa fa re re, okay. Then you now play ti ti, okay. Ti la sa fa mi mi. Okay, very simple to understand. Okay. Do ti la sa fa re re. Okay. Okay. Ti la sa fa mi the second lick I played was okay. So what I was playing from, I was starting from the saw, because this is the key of A. Okay, another inversion on the key of A. Okay, this is saw. Okay, la ti do, la do ti. Okay, you can play. Okay, you can play so fa re la ti. Okay, la ti. So what I'm trying to play is the fifth note. They go into the fifth note again on the high tone. Going to the fourth note. Okay, going to the second note. Okay, which is the re. Okay, la ti. Okay, la ti. From the sixth to the seventh note. So the second one is now, you have okay. So that is the second lick. The third lick I played was so now this is another inversion of the key of A. Okay, another inversion of the key of A on the third string. Okay, you can see on the third string another inversion of A. Another inversion of key of A. So what I'm playing there is the do, do, ti, la. Okay, do, ti, la, so. Okay. Do, ti, la, so, fa, re. So now play va, la, so, ti, re, do. Okay. Va, la, so, ti, so, re, do. Okay. But I slide from the va to the saw. Okay. Okay. You slide the two notes at once. Okay. You slide the two notes. Okay. Re, do. Okay. Okay. So now play a kind of a move a kind of a move scale from the do, la, ti. Okay. Do, la, ti, so, la, va, so, mi, so, re, mi, do, re, ti, do. Okay. Now play a kind of a move. Ti, do. Okay. Ti, do, ti. Ti, do, ti, la. Okay. Ti, do, ti, la. Okay. Very simple, just like playing do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. Okay. But I hammer on it. Okay, I hammer on it from the ti, do, ti, la, so, la, so. Okay. So, la, so, va, so, fa, mi, so, mi, re, mi, re, do. Okay. Okay. Okay, so what I was playing there was okay. Ti, do, ti, la, re, re. Do, ti, la, so, la, re, re. Ti, do, ti, la, so, la, mi. Okay. or mi mi. Okay, so it's like this. Do ti la sol la do. Okay, so it's very simple. So now I play the field lick I played there was okay, and that is the last lick. Okay, I'm going to show you. So what I'm going to show you there is so 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 so. Okay, so so la la. Okay, the saw the saw on the third string, the saw on the fourth string. Okay, so so. So this is so la ti do re mi fa so. So you have your saw on the third string here. You have your saw on the fourth string here. Okay. The same thing as la la. Okay, the same thing. Va. Okay. La ti va la ti. So the second one is va mi do. So, guys, that is basically I want you to learn. Okay, apply in your playing, and you're going to see the difference. You're going to apply it in your makossa. Okay, whenever you're playing the 1-4-5-4 progressions, okay, you can apply those lick. Okay, in your playing, it's going to sound better and sound good. Okay, so if you have any other challenges that you don't understand the video, you can drop it in the comment section. Okay, I will get back to you guys. All right, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.